Hello everyone. My name is Ju. Hope you all are doing well. In this video, we'll be discussing questions very similar to Azure AI-102 certification. We'll walk through the question, discuss each and every options in detail, and figure out the correct answer. So if you're preparing for AI-102 certification, feel free to watch the videos in this series. Now, a basic knowledge of Azure AI services will be helpful for you to understand these questions better. Now, the link to the training which I watched to prepare for the certification will be given in the description box below. This training was very helpful for me and it helped me to pass the exam in the very first attempt. I would highly recommend this training if you're preparing for Azure AI 102 certification. To the format of the question. So there will be a requirement provided in the question and we have to choose the most appropriate feature of the AI service. Which Azure AI language service should you use for each of the following requirements? Choose one proper answer for each requirement. First is identify messages with phone number in it. Next is extract domain specific entities. Now the options are given. Now let us break down the question. So the question is regarding Azure AI language service and we have to select the proper feature of language service for each of these requirements. So what are these requirements? One is to identify messages with phone number in it. So we have to identify phone number in messages. Next is extract domain specific entities. So we have to extract specific entities from the text. Those are the two needs. Now to the options. Custom named entity recognition, key phrase extraction, language detection, named entity recognition, personal identifiable information detection, and sentiment analysis. Now let us get into the documentation. Now what is Azure AI language? So it is a service which is used to analyze text. It is for natural language processing. Now what are the available features of Azure AI language? It offers various features. So one is named entity recognition. So let us look at the example. What is named entity recognition? So if we pass some text to AI language, it can identify the entities present in the text. So these are pre-built entities. The model can identify these pre-built entities given in the text. So it can identify the name of a person. It says it's a person and this is a location. Then anniversary, it's an event. Thursday, it's a date. So these are the entities identified by the model. So it can categorize this text into person, location, event, date, address, location, all these things. So it can identify these entities from the given text with confidence level. Now next feature is personal and health data information detection. So it's very clear from the name. Language can detect personal information from the given text. So it can identify the name of a person. It can identify the phone number of a person, the address of a person, the tax number of a person, all those things. So it will provide all these details from the given text. That is what is personal identifiable information detection or PII detection feature of Azure AI language service. Now next is language detection. So it can detect the language in the given text. So this detected as the name is English with a confidence score. Now next is sentiment analysis. So if you provide a text, it can detect the sentiment present in the text, whether the text is positive, negative or neutral. So it will categorize the text as positive, neutral or negative. That is what is sentiment analysis is. Now next is summarization. It can summarize the text. Now there is key phrase extraction. So what is key phrase extraction? It can extract the main keywords present in the given text. So these are the extracted key phrases, the important words present in the given text. So that is key phrase extraction. Now if we further come down, we can see there is custom named entity recognition. This was one of our options. So it is just like named entity recognition, but it is custom. You have to train the model with your own specific domain and then later on the model will be able to identify those entities. So it is a custom model where we have to train the model with our own specific domain entities and later the model will be able to identify those specific entities. So that is what is custom named entity recognition is. Now let us get back into the question. Now, which feature of Azure AI Language Service is used to identify messages with phone number in it? So that feature is PII detection. So this is the correct answer for the first requirement. Now next is extract domain specific entities. So since it mentions domain specific entities, the feature is custom named entity recognition. So it is a custom model. So to identify phone number, we use PII detection feature, and to extract domain specific entities, we used named entity recognition. Now what did we learn from this video? We learned various features offered by Azure AI Language Service. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you.